Happy Monday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. We're starting to see rain chances on the increase, mostly from south to north. So even though right now it not be raining at your house, eventually it will, as showers will become more likely throughout the entire day. So because of the clouds and the rain, temperatures are only expected to warm up to 72 degrees. That will happen around 3 p.m. So the highs will be in the low 70s, and tonight showers will continue. Make sure you do have your umbrella with you, and by 11 we're still looking at a shower possibility and 65 degrees. Today our high 72, cloudy, cooler, with an 80% chance for rain. Then tonight we'll be dropping to 63, showers likely, and the clouds will keep us on the warm side. Tomorrow 73 with a 60% chance for rain, so showers still a good chance around here. By Wednesday we dry out, mostly sunny, and we also warm up. 79 degrees is expected to be the high, closer to our 80-degree average. By Thursday, showers are expected, very light in nature, only at 20%, but behind that cold front, temperatures do take a plunge. We're looking Friday morning 53, 71 will be our high, and Saturday the return of football here across the state. At least for college football, we're looking at a high near 77 under bright sunny skies.